Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Indian summers are incomplete without mangoes or aam as we call it. So today we are going to make 3 variety of mango drinks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Let's start with sweet and spicy mojito. The ingredients are 1/4 cup sugar syrup, half green chili, half cup mango pulp, juice of 2 lemons, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 cup mint leaves, 1 cup club soda and 1/4 cup of water. I'm going to add all the ingredients in the blender. Classically it is a muddled beverage. By muddling I mean एक glass में नींबू, पुदीना और शक्कर को wooden stick that is your muddler उसे mash करते हैं. Today we are not doing that as we are making a fresh and quick version. If you wish you can make that. Then I'm going to add 3/4 cup of club soda and blend it into a smooth consistency. Let's assemble the drink and make it pretty. Add some ice, some fresh cubes of mango, some lemon slices, mint leaves, pinch of black salt, then a spicy tangy mojito. Top it up with the retained club soda or sparkling water. Garnish it with a green chili. A mojito is not very spicy. It has a hint of spice which elevates the drink. Next we'll make aam panna. The ingredients are 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1/4 cup mint leaves, 1/4 cup sugar, half teaspoon cardamom powder, 10 to 15 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half inch ginger, 1/4 teaspoon black salt and 2 raw mangoes. So first in a pan, place a cooker stand and add about half cup of water. मैं हमेशा ये ऊपर वाला हिस्सा हटा देती हूँ क्योंकि इसका अलग आफ्टर टेस्ट होता है. जो रेजिन इससे निकलता है वो आपको नहीं चाहिए. ऑल्सो आई कट इट इनटू क्रॉस सेक्शन जिससे स्किन इजीली पील हो जाती है. प्लेस द मैंगोज ऑन द स्टैंड. Cover and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also pressure cook it. Let it cool down for some time. Then discard the skin and scrape off all the pulp. जब तक मैंगोस ठंडे हो रहे हैं तब तक काली मिर्च और जीरा को भून लेते हैं. I'm adding a pinch of salt so that it roasts evenly. Once it changes the color, cool it down and grind it into a fine powder. To that powder, add ginger, mint leaves, sugar, and I soaked the fennel seeds that is soft for 15 minutes. Add it to the blender. Blend it into a smooth paste. This is how much pulp I could get from the mangoes. You can either blend it to make it into a smooth paste, but I like it chunky so I'm not doing that. Then add the paste we just made, some elaichi powder, kala namak, and your regular salt. Whisk it all together. And your aam panna concentrate is ready. To assemble, add some ice cubes and 2 teaspoons of the concentrate. Then top it up with some chilled water. And fresh mint leaves for garnish. Enjoy this super refreshing drink. Our next drink is every kid's favorite, mango fruity. And yes, it requires only 3 ingredients. 1 raw mango, half cup of sugar and 2 mangoes. Add the chopped mangoes to the pan. Then add the chopped cherry, sugar and 2 cups of water. Mix it once. Cover and let it boil for 10 to 12 minutes. Cool it down, then strain the water. I'm going to retain this water and blend the mangoes into smooth consistency. Again, strain the pulp to remove the residual fibers. Whisk it so that it's nice and smooth. Add the retained water. It adds more flavor. Whisk it again. Then add 2 cups of chilled water. This makes about 5 glasses of fruity. If you're going to drink it right away, then have it as it is. But if you're planning to store it, then add just 1 tablespoon of vinegar and you can store it in the fridge for up to 20 to 25 days. Try these summer drinks and let us know how they were in the comment section below. Also, 89% of you watching the video have not subscribed to our channel. That's like a lot. So please subscribe, it's absolutely free. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.